top story coming in from Uttar Pradesh this morning, where we are told that a man who was shot in front of local officials in Balia over a dispute, and the police say the chief minister has already ordered suspension of officials present there. It was a 46-year-old Jay Prakash who was allegedly shot dead by Dhirendra Singh, said to be close to a party MLA. A stampede followed after the shooting, and dramatic pictures like the ones on your screen show a large number of people on the field as 3 rounds are fired. People are seen panicking, running frantically in the video. The police case has been registered against 15 to 20 people on complaint of the victim's brother, and the accused brother has now been arrested as well. Akhilesh Yadav and Mayawati tweeted about this. We'll bring that out for you as well. Akhilesh Yadav saying that the truth of law system has revealed in Uttar Pradesh after a leader of a ruling BJP in Balia openly in front of an SDM and CEO escaped by killing a young man. Now see whether the government of encounter also reverses the car of its people or not. Mayawati also tweeted saying it is clear from the incident in UP's Balia and the crimes against women and girls at law and order in the state is dead. It would improve when the government focuses on it. This is BSP's suggestion.
घटना हुई है जनबा की कोटे के दुकान के लेकर के 2 प्रत्याशी लड़ रहे थे। वो आए जनबा जे बाहरी से आदमी लेकर के, और एसडीएम साहब पूछे जनबा कि भाई जनबा की जो लोग जनबा की अगर यहाँ के रहेंगे तो हम कोई प्रमाण प्रूफ लेंगे, न तो उसको लाइन से हम बाहर निकाल देंगे। तो उनसे जनबा करीब आधा घंटा रकझक किया। इसके बाद जनबा सभी लोग उठ करके भागना चालू कर दिए। तो ये धीरेन्द्र प्रताप सिंह के पूरे पार्टी जनबा ईंट पत्थर सब चलाए और जनबा गोलियाँ चलाने लगे। करीब 15-20 फायर हुआ है। तो उसमें एक बाहरी बदमाश है, हम लोग उनको पहचानते नहीं हैं, और एक अजय सिंह भी फायर कर रहे थे, और धीरेन्द्र प्रताप हमारे भाई को गोली मार दी है।
एक भी अभियुक्त को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। इनके खिलाफ बहुत ही स्ट्रांग कार्रवाई की जाएगी। अभी तक एक अभियुक्त गिरफ्तार हुआ है। जो मेन अभियुक्त है धीरेन्द्र प्रताप सिंह का सगा भाई देवेंद्र प्रताप सिंह को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है। बाकी अभियुक्तों की गिरफ्तारी के लिए हमारी काफ़ी टीमें गई हुई हैं, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि बहुत जल्दी ही परिणाम सामने निकल के आएंगे। जो भी यहाँ कल पुलिसकर्मी तैनात थे उन सबको सस्पेंड कर दिया गया है, और शासन ने जो अधिकारी थे उनको खिलाफ भी कार्रवाई की है।
केवल एडिशनल तथ्य अपनी तरफ से ये ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि उक्त घटनाक्रम में जो अभियोग पंजीकृत किया गया है उसमें एसपी साहब ने बताया कि 8 लोग नामजद किए गए हैं, जिसमें से एक मुख्य हत्यारोपी है जिसने फायर किया है। उस सहित सभी 8 हत्यारोपियों की तलाश में 1 दर्जन से ज़्यादा पुलिस टीमें बना दी गई हैं। अब तक 2 दर्जन से अधिक स्थानों पर दबिश की कार्रवाई हो गई है।
All right, you heard from the accused brother, and sorry, it was the victim's brother actually, and then from the DIG as well. But Saurabh Shuklana joins us for an insight into this story. Saurabh, take us through the exact timeline of this story. Quite shocking in broad daylight, guns and shots being fired in presence of so many people, one said to be close to the BJP leader.
Absolutely, this is new normal in Uttar Pradesh. Sonal, we have seen Hathras and Ghazipur and other places as well. And yesterday it happened in a village called Durjanpur of Balia, where there was a distribution of government ration shop. And there were 2 sides who were having argument, and that allotment was cancelled. And later the argument happened, and at that point of time, SDM of that area and CEO of that area, they were present at the spot, and the victim Jay Prakash, who is 46-year-old, was shot dead by a BJP official. And this person who is accused, Dhirendra Singh, he is BJP. He is in the committee of the BJP district committee of BJP. He is convener of ex-servicemen cell of Balia, and apart from that, he is very close to the local MLA Surendra Kumar Singh as well. So he fired 3 shots. and ran away from the spot. In fact, now victim's family is saying that in initial that time he was grabbed by police, this Dhirendra Pratap, but because he is an influential figure in that area, he is from BJP and very close to BJP ML. That is why they allowed him to escape. So now there are more than 10 teams of UP police who are now looking for the main accused, Dhirendra Pratap Singh, but he is still at large. Additional Chief Secretary Home, Avnish Awasthi, is saying that he has suspended SDM, CEO and other police officials who were present at the spot for negligence. But still, it's been almost 20 hours, Sonal, but the accused is still at large. Apart from accused, there are more than 10 people who are named in this FIR. So they are still at large. Police is trying to find them in adjacent districts of Balia like Azamgarh, Ghazipur and Gorakhpur as well. So now, in fact, a very interesting fact about the story, Sonal, the BJP MLA, Surinder Kumar Singh, has come in front to defend the accused Dhirendra Kumar Singh, who is very close aide of this MLA, and he's saying that the shot he's fired in self-defense. That's what he's saying now, and openly he's talking to media in Balia, and in some time we'll be able to play that bite as well of this MLA. So now the accused is at large, and again, the same thing has happened in Hathras also. A lot of people are trying to defend the accused, and here also BJP MLA is trying to defend his aide, the BJP official, saying that he fired 3 shots in self-defense. So that's what it is happening, but more than 20 hours, accused is still at large. They have just been able to arrest one accused,
whose close aide is the primary accused in this case, is said to have shot at and taken the life of the man over here, 46-year-old Jaiprakash that we're talking about. He's not denying that he fired, but he's saying he fired in self-defense. Is that what he's saying? Do we have confirmation on police on if the victim was in possession of any firearms?
As of now, there is no confirmation from police and the local villagers who were present at the spot that Jaiprakash, who is now killed, has any firearms with him. But definitely there was an argument. But now BJP MLA is saying before police that he fired the shots, the accused fired shot in self-defense. But MLA and, in fact, sorry, pardon my language, the local villagers who were there at the spot, they did not confirm that Jaiprakash, who is now killed, shot dead by Dhirendra Singh, had any weapon. In fact, police is also not confirming. Police is just saying that we are trying to nab the accused, and we will definitely nab him, and then we will do our investigation.